Howdy folks, Jeff here, Certified Master Technician, and the good folks over at ATEQ sent me the TPMS Scan Tool Kit, and I wanted to show you what all is in this. Now this is the one for the VT56, so you have the unit itself. This one comes with the docking station, and all you do is simply put that on there, and that's how you charge it up. But as you'll notice, it also has a printer on there so you can print out reports to show the customer. Now this has all the cables necessary that you need to hook everything up. It even has the OBD2 port. In some of the vehicles you have to program the computer, tell it where the sensors are, and then it even has a magnet for some of the old TPMS ones that had to reset. Now they also sent me the additional, this is an optional tool, it's for the tire tread depth, and this just simply plugs in, being able to check the tire tread depth, so you can show the customer the wear patterns on there, show them if it's time for tires, show them if it's time for suspension work. As always, I appreciate y'all watching.